Ready?
Mm-hmm.
This is to Sean from Dad.
How's it? How's it?
And see, I got a shirt, looks like. What you want? I got a shirt.
Yeah.
You like it? Nice.
Yeah, looks like it's a good shirt. Good shirt. Thank you.
Yeah. Get up.
This is another one from Sean's dad. To Sean from Dad. Another shirt.
Where that put
Almost like the one that what's his name gave you.
Yeah, it's nice.
Short sleeve.
Yeah.
Oh, it's long sleeve.
Talking
but it's
about
good
this
for the
is
winter time.
Short sleeve.
Yeah. Like a basketball shirt or something?
Yeah. Something like that.
Looks like some shoes.
Much needed shoes.
Yeah. Can I show them my shoes on the camera?
Yeah, they got holes on the bottom.
This shoe is coming apart here. And this one up here got a big old hole right there. Yeah, let's see these shoes. These look like some nice shoes. Look at this.
Make sure it's the right
Yeah.
size.
12.
Right? Yeah, I think it's 12. Yeah, she won 12.
Yeah, 12. Yeah, I needed these.
Yeah.
God, printer.
You can over just look in there. Don't pull it out. When you take it home, you can pull it out.
Mm-hmm.
It's a printer.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Coming to America.
Yeah.
Oh.
Would you like to see that movie?
Mhm.
Yeah, I remember you saw that on Netflix.
Yeah.
A little bit of it.
Very good.
You said you wanted to watch that?
Yeah. It looks funny.
Yes. What is this? It's a shirt, I think.
And he's wearing the shirt that I got him.
Yeah, this is a great
No,
shirt.
no, the one you're wearing.
Ah, this is an awesome shirt,
And you
babe.
forgot to
Thank
take.
you.
No, not that.
Yeah,
you forgot
this
to
is a
take.
great
You forgot to take the sticker off the shirt you're wearing.
But yeah, thanks. This is a good
Very
shirt.
funny. That's the one you were wearing. No.
Now what? Oh,
Just
Oh.
rip it open.
yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Wow. Look at this.
It is.
See, this is the shirt that Liza got for me right here. Isn't
No.
this a nice shirt?
No, that's the one you were wearing.
Huh. Okay.
Ooh. I like that.
What do you think of that?
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Think that's gonna be a good movie?
Okay. That one's really cute, I thought.
Oh my goodness, it's another shirt. Wow.
You have to put on every shirt I give you. This is your third layer of shirts. Oh, God.
Yeah, this is a good shirt. It is a good shirt. Oh, it keeps you warm too. Look. Okay.
Okay. Ooh.
Mm.
Super Mario.
Whoa, what is in here?
Donuts. No.
Oh, ooh, yeah, I'm hungry. Where's some donuts? Where's some donuts?
Kidding.
Oh, wait a minute.
I'm hoping that those will fit you. I don't know your size. I just looked at it and said, I think these will fit them. And if those fit you, you can wear them tomorrow for Christmas. They're going to be tight with the other pants on. They fit!
Button straight.
Look at that, they fit you. I got the right size, yay. You're
Yeah.
wearing 2 pants, 3 pairs of shirts. Oh
Yeah,
my
bring me
gosh.
some more clothes. This is where it starts to get
Something.
interesting.
Oh wow. Oh my gosh, no wonder you didn't get at the Big Lots when I saw this. Oh wow. Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, it's a shaver.
Yeah. Got you to get tired of using those disposable ones, so I got you that too.
Yeah, but it's heavy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's Xbox 360. Thank you, babe. Oh my gosh.
Huh.
I hope you don't already have that book.
No. Huh. Huh. I'm still reading it. Chapter 1.
That's gonna take forever. I don't have that much batteries.
Oh. Well, what are you talking about? I just bought you a whole thing of batteries. I just bought you a whole
Okay,
pack
show
of
the
batteries.
book to the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna say it right now.